Hey, I'm Mintu and welcome to Arknights Enfield. I don't know what episode this is gonna be, but I'm gonna continue the story where I left off. I need to catch up on so many things. There are so many things to do, and oh my god, there are so many questions, and this is overwhelming, if I must say though. But I will take it in my own pace. I will take it slow and easy because it's not a race. So let's go slow and mean. Hello. Hello,
According to our
Vishranti.
grand development strategy, this AIC sector is still in its infancy. Usually production lines can't be built overnight, but technological advancements we made in Valley 4 can now speed things up. Well, things can be faster at this place at least. The other sites might not have our more conducive environment.
We'll also need plenty of electricity and power to manufacture large machinery and equipment.
I just don't understand one thing. How are we producing electricity? Is it solar powered? Or wait, is it origin powered? I don't know how the origin works though, but uh, what is origin? The rock crystal stuff, right? How does it produce power? Can you tell me that? I'm kind of confused. Well, it doesn't matter, but I still need to know how the electricity is produced.
The landslide clearing crew will be assigned a multi-purpose drill. This big boy will need plenty of originium ore as fuel.
Well, originium is the fuel, you see, which means it is the backbone of this world. Maybe. Well, if that's the case, then can we use the drill machine to ride? Can I ride that?
We must boost our mineral mining efficiency. To do that, we should first research the right tech upgrades in our AIC factory plan.
Then what? PLC factory plan. You say, oh my god, what is a blueprint or it's an upgrade? Yeah, see, the ALC factory plan is divided into three phases: progress through the main mission and acquire expansion codes to unlock the next phase. The ALC factory plan is also divided into different ALC technology series based on their function. We have currently researched some basic ALC technologies in the ALC factory plan. Check what the ALC factory needs to choose the ALC technology to research next. Let's take a look at our next goal. Researching the mining to AIC technology can let us construct electrical mining rigs. That's cool. Do I have the things to do that? The electric mining rig can mine higher tier minerals in the wilderness. The rig can use belt free transfer to move the mined minerals from its cache to the depot directly. Wow. I don't know how it works, but it works. It just transfers, teleports materials. Research this to construct electric mining rigs. The electric mining rigs yeah, that's what you said. These rigs can mine rare minerals such as amethyst ore. Research cost is what else? Research the AIC technology mining tool needs basic AIC index. Activate protocol data logger to get more indices.
That little buddy over there is the protocol data logger. It helps with technical verification. It collects ambient data and provides our AIC factory with solutions tailored to local conditions. Relevant data can then be quantified and processed into our AIC
I thought
index.
that thing was only for
Give it a shot,
the showcase or something.
Greetings, Administrator.
Greetings. And who might you be?
Let me introduce myself. I am Technician Pocus from the Enfield Engineering Division. I'm also a technical ops for the AIC. As you can see, I've deployed plenty of protocol data loggers in this area. Once enough data has been gathered, they'll behave like this. It's a special signal to retrieve the data.
They have like what?
This particular data logger is ready for interaction and retrieval. Go ahead and try it out. In more complex environments, a single data logger might generate multiple AIC index points at once.
That's cool. Whatever you said, I didn't understand, but I kind of got a grasp of
Alright,
it.
Enman, let's start with our electric mining rig tech upgrade.
Ah, okay, time to upgrade. I need to research that. I got mining too. Now reselect the guides. There's a guide for this. Oh my god. Click here to start the simulation. Huh? What? This building guide. Okay, that's cool. It provides me the information that I need. Entering the simulation and completing its goals provides a better understanding of using the electric mining rig. Click the Start Sim button to begin the simulation. Try it out. I will try it out, so don't you worry, man. New electric mining rigs have been delivered to the mining area to mine amethyst ore. When powered, the electric mining rig can start mining and deliver minerals to the depot via belt-free transfer. Place the electric pylon near the electric mining rig, then connect the electric pylon to the relay tower to power the mining area. Yeah. Welcome to the simulation. These VR spaces are scattered across Dallas 2 and teach the basics of using the AIC factory. Yes, and understood. Simulation have their own set of backpack and depot items as well as facilities not shared with those in the real world. However, the lessons and tricks learned in simulation are also useful outside. Pretty useful, yeah, it is useful. This shows the goal of the current simulation. Make 3 electric mining rigs operational. Process the mined amethyst ore into amethyst fiber. Finish the main goals to complete the simulation and collect reverse. Press escape for more details. In the simulation, we must use AIC facilities to mine mineral ores. The electric mining rig can be used for mining iridium ore and amethyst ore. Once powered, electric mining rigs will automatically move the mined minerals to the depot via belt-free transfer. Yeah, I know that. First interact with the electric mining rig to view its function. Yes. The electric mining rig will automatically mine ores and store them in its cache. When powered, ores in the cache will be automatically moved to the depot via belt-free transfer on a regular interval, adding on 1 ore production to the pack. It's currently unpowered, I know that. I would need to give it some power. Press the pylon. This mining set has several amethyst ore mining spots. The next step is to place electric mining rigs on each mining spot. It's the mining thing, okay? It's the mining thing. Note, electric pylons placed outside the core AIC area cannot supply power to the other facilities immediately. I already know that. It's such a basic stuff. I know that. I mean, just let me do that. Okay, it works. The electric mining rigs are performing belt-free transfer. Keep the 3 electric mining rigs operational and wait for a while. Great, the electric mining rigs are moving the mined amethyst ore to the depot via belt-free transfer. Press Y. The electric mining rig will automatically move mined ores. Yes. Here we can see the amethyst ore we mined being teleported to the local depot. Use this method to place electric mining rigs on additional mining spots to achieve automated ore mining and transport. Yeah, thank you. Next, let's use the zip pen to return to the core AIC area and process the amethyst core, or we just find. To process that. Seriously? Which areas? The amethyst ore mined by our electric mineries have been moved to the local PAC pack depot. We are well fit as well. Let's take a look. Enjoy that, bro. Yeah, I know something. Ores mined by the electric minery will be automatically moved to the pack depot. We are well trained. How many times are you going to repeat the same thing over and over again? Here we can see the amethyst ore. We mined. We may. The ore we mined has been moved to the depot. The ore can now be processed. It's repeating the same thing over and over again, man. The store can be processed by the refining unit or examines driver. Check the area that required facilities and to the test. So this is the reason nobody reads this instruction because this just repeats the same thing over and over again. But it's okay, I guess, because if we miss one instruction, we can just continue the other instruction. Next, let's go to the pack output port and set it up to so that it moves amethyst ore from the depot to the refining unit for processing. Pack by port. Pack output ports can move items from the depot to a connected transport port. Each output port can unload one selected item from the depot. Can you output this amethyst ore, please? And what are the use cases of this amethyst ore? I wonder what is usage. It's converted to amethyst fiber. The refining unit can now auto process the amethyst ore mined by the electric mining rigs into amethyst fiber. Electric mining rigs can also be used for mining originium ore. Use this method to automatically mine and process more minerals. Cool stuff. Now I can escape this simulation and get 25 Ouroboros something. It's Ouroboros, right? I really don't know, man. I didn't do a lot of research in this game. I'm just going in blind. Damn. No. Places. Which one? This is the closest that I can reach.
These
Hey,
minerals need
guys,
some
find
care.
this. Yeah, you should come in handy. That's why I'm trying to mine it. Since swordsmanship is sword. Chen, what is it called again? Wait, what?
Mineral ores form the foundation of industry. We should get
What? Chen, can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? What's your sword? What swordship is called? I don't know why I'm mining this, but I have 13 of those. When did I get this? Get that book. Man. Three, 4, 5, 6. That's it. And I need the electric pylon to power all of this. Start transmission. Yeah, let's go. I need to give power. How far away are you? Please don't be that far away. Oh my god, why are you so far away? Which means I need to be around where to place this. I'm gonna place this one over here. Yes, it's connected. Now I can connect this to that. Cool. Now those things are powered. Are you showing me that path again? Place electric mining rigs on a amethyst mining spot and power them up. Different type power them up. Did I not power them? They are not powered. What? Unpowered. Wait, what? Why is everything so not unpowered? Hey, I just did the tutorial. What do you mean?
I'm always here.
That simulation tutorials. Oh my god. Don't understand how do I power this thing. I just did the tutorial, man. No wonder they they are repeating the instruction over and over again. How could I? So sad. What the hell, man? That's the thing. What? How do I start this? The pylon needs to be connected. I need to make it to electric pylon. I convert it to electric pylon. Then only, yeah. Only then I suppose. Yes, electric pylon. This is a transmission line. Oh my. What? Now everything's powered, right? Please be powered. It's on. 5 electric mining rigs on. 5? Which 5? 1. 5. This thing. Activate this thing and break it up. These guys are not on. You know what? I will bring active pylon over here. Because why not? How do I take this thing again? Stash mode. Go to stash mode and take this and escape and nice, lot of work. I need to start the transmission and get this thing. And the transmission of. Can I place this? Transmission, yes. Yes, start the transmission and get over here to connect this thing. Produce 5 status. Will be connected to one thing. Why is upgrade or something sort of upgrade output that 5? I don't understand, man. Give me more. Please. Don't worry, guys. I can handle this. I can really handle this. Okay, that thing is powered. How do I take this out? And you can stay over this thing and power all those 3. Yes. It is powered. Everything's powered. Yeah. Everything is powered. Cool, good stuff. It's such a big task to do. And I need to go over there too, which means I need another transmission. Yeah, I'm on my way to stash mode. Okay, yes. Where's the other thing? Yes. Yes. Disconnected. I just disconnected that and electric mining rigs. Over there and you over there. And which means it's enough. That's probably enough. I hope you can power those thing and whatever it is. Yeah, give me. Starting transmission and it will power this thing. I did not power that. Can you power those two at the same time, please? Oh man, you really have to use your brain in this game and plan out early. Yes, I have powered those two. Place the amethyst ore moved to the depot in the backpack.
Entering core AIC area.
I think this only one can be one step at a time. These two. What's the capacity of my backpack? Then it's a limitation to this. Should I not make the other thing? Wait, what happened to you? Shading on it. I think I need to make you automatic. Which is the output and which is the input. This is the output, right? That's output. Add an item. Original mode. Yes. Okay. Protocol management, no. I add a belt. Air assembly, protocol management. Oh my god, there are so many things in this thing. Bug flower, acetine, origo crust, amethyst fiber, originium powder, bug flower powder, acetine powder, amethyst bottle, amethyst component. Yeah. Uh, automation core. Automation core. That's an automation core. How do I make you guys automatic then? How do I make you automatic, bro? And shred. Or at least you can do this, right? What do you do? This is the refining, and that's the shredding. So it's, oh, I need to press E for this. It's not the input, is it? Where should I place this then? Over here, maybe? How do I take this out? Okay, that's pretty easy. Then which means I need to make an input for this. You can go over there and go get to this one, right? Yeah, okay, this works. This pretty much works. And shredding unit, you are going, hello, you are going over here. Shredding unit. What? How much space do you need? Shredding unit, where did my shredding unit go? Shredding unit, shredding unit. Somebody. Get a shredding unit. Yeah, this will work probably. Can I rotate this thing? Oh, this is tedious work. Rotate. My lord. This is can go over there and now yeah, that will work. Should work. And that took quite a long time to make. What is this? It says this to construct gearing units. The gearing units can assemble materials to make products such as amethyst component, amethyst bottles, amethyst parts, and whatever you. It says this to construct medical towers. Medical towers with a power supply can restore the HP of active apparatus in the team. Interesting. Oh, this was really instantly transfer items to the depot on a regular basis. This one sounds useful.
Industrial technology is now available.
Protocostats can store items when powered. The protocostats can also deliver store items to the depot on a regular basis. The protocostats also can blah 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 blah. So you can automate pretty much everything in this game. Really dope. Hello, Andre.
Do we have the required originium ore and amethyst ore?
Yeah, we have more than we need. Take these mineral ores in your face.
Nicely done! Our energy problem is now history.
Yeah.
The landslide clearing team has been assembled. Once the preparations are complete, the team can begin their work.
Good job.
That's pretty cool.
Is there anything else we're short on?
A lot. Gear, tools, overhaul kits. But we should be able to take care of them. Vanikov is responsible for directing the work on the site. You can talk to him to learn more about the situation.
Okay. Let's learn more of the situation then. A few WSD crew member. Vanikov.
Ah,
Hello,
so
Vanikov.
you really are the administrator. Thank you so much for helping our crewmates out there. Everyone's ready to get some work done, but we got a small problem.
What problem? You say what kind of problem that might be and how I can solve it for you?
There's no need for such formalities here. Given the urgency of our situation, just go ahead and tell us what you need.
Tell
Mr.
us.
Andre
So do I?
insists that we equip ether counters during work. The issue is, these devices have quite a heavy load, and we haven't had time to modify our standard coveralls.
I understand
And
Mr. Andre's
always.
concerns. Mr. Vanikov, if modifying your standard crew coveralls is a problem, we can produce new protective suits for your crew.
What?
Huh.
But I don't think we can just build a garment factory right now.
Don't worry, we are best at that kind of stuff. Leave that to us. That's what the ASC factory
Enfield
is
has
for.
a comprehensive plan for precision manufacturing, centered around our protocol automation core. We can get started on it right away.
Yeah, right away. Use the AC to assemble various kinds of gear to improve the operator's combat performance. That's it. You can select the minor overalls. This is minor thing. And what about that? This okay. Assembling these pieces of gear requires two materials: valley stock beads and amethyst components. And valley stock beads by defeating enemies outperforming various regional development and outpost activities. Click here to view amethyst component. Amethyst components are produced by the gearing unit. Specific AAC technologies of the AAC factory plan must be researched to construct and replace the gearing unit in the core AAC area. Acquire gear template to assemble the specified gear. Some gear templates can be acquired by gaining authority levels, others can be found by exploring the world. I need to explore the world, you say? Okay, yeah, sure, I can do that. But can I not do that now? Can I just get the item that I need right now? Gear assembly requires stock builds and gear components. Various stock builds can be earned by defeating enemies or performing regional development and outpost activities. Gear components can be produced using the ASC factory facility gearing unit. Unlock this facility by researching specific ASC technologies in the ASC factory plan. The gearing unit must then be constructed and placed in the core ASC area. There is a technological intake must be researched to produce gear assembly components. Yeah, I get that. Uh, the thing. Tracking on progress. Tracking in progress. First rise nearby. Give me this upgrade.
New industrial technology
Yeah,
is now available.
here we go. Now reselect the AC technology, gearing tech. I need to do this tutorial over again. Okay, I will do that. Factory know-hows, construct and place the plant facility to improve the efficiency of the goods delivery game mode and reduce the risk of goods damage. Mm, use transport bed to complete the production line and set up an apprentice company production line. Aha. There is also already a gearing unit to rest in gearing unit. That's a gearing unit. Interact with the gearing unit to give the amethyst component production formula. This thing needs the fiber and amethyst. What is the origo crust? The first is origo crust. The other is amethyst fiber. Originum ore and amethyst ore can be processed by refining units to make origo crust and amethyst fiber respectively. The refining unit for producing the two types of interact with the pack output port 1 and select originum ore as the item to unload from the depot. Then reference the guiding line to connect the transport belt and move the refining unit products to the gearing units. Go and set up the pack output port to unload the mineral ores from the depot to the refining unit for processing. Easy. Now what? Uh, let's set up the store. Yes, yes. Can I leave me? Can I just do it by myself? Next, use the transport belt to connect the output ports of the two refining units to the input ports of the gearing unit. Okay, isn't that already connected? It's already connected, right? Excellent! Amethyst component production has begun. Gear components are raw materials for gear assembly. We must set up another gear component production line to speed things up. Next, let's use the blueprint to speed up our production. Press the hotkey F1. This is a special amethyst component blueprint useful only in the simulation place. The amethyst component blueprint has successfully deployed. Next, you go to the back output ports 4 and 5 and yes, okay, bro. Why does it make this thing? It's electric file. Does it mean so only electric files to do this thing? After placing a system blueprint, reference the icon indicated on the item control port and interact with the output port to save the item to unload out to the transport port belt and get the automatic production line to work. Okay, that's just great. I can do it just like that. And these component blueprints have been acquired. Unlocking the blueprint system allows the use of this blueprint to quickly set upon Amethyst component production line in the area 4AC. Oh, 4AC, what? Yeah. Bam, 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 bam. Good stuff. What do I need to do? Go to the 4AC area and rebuild this.
And make some gear.
Okay, I will make some there. Tap top view mode. How do I go to the top view mode? Caps lock. Top view mode uses a fixed top-down perspective. Team operators will stay put. There's a list of facility below to construct and place them. In top view mode, selection cancel multiplicity and logistic and to perform group actions that include copying and moving, stashing, and saving approved brain. The Bluetooth function can be used to quickly place an ASC factory production line. Quick to press. Where can I place this? Is this good?
We'll need
That's
some
good.
amethyst components. They're essential for gear manufacturing.
Hmm? Again, so many of those, right? Why is this thing sleeping? Are you sleeping? Why is that thing sleeping? This thing is connected, and what? Maybe I need to stop this one. It is producing. Why are you not connected automatically, bro? And now what? It's the clearing unit. I get those. I get this thing that you're trying to tell me to get. It's the gearing you need to produce some of this component. Is it not? Is it really not producing gearing component? What? Pretty bad. Oh, are they not producing anything? It is producing already. Charge entered production line to edit the transport well to click here to start. Ah, God. 20 of this, you were saying. Yeah, don't give me. Just give me. 16, 17, 18, 19, and there comes the 20th, come on, 20th. Yeah, there comes the 20th. Come on, bro, this is a long faster pace. You are pretty slow. Fine, yeah. And there goes the 20th. It just passes through me. Hit the gear, minor orders. Minor auras. Minor auras. Minor armor. It's in minor aura. Minor armor useful. What were you saying? I need 4, wow. I need 4 of this. Yes, I did that.
It's done. Edmund, we can now hand them out to the crew.
Now hand them out to the crew. Right, guys, I got the minor overalls.
Hey friends, how's it going? We're almost ready, just wrapping things up.
Yeah. Here they are, hope they fit. 2, 3, 4.
Oh, they look wonderful. We can definitely use them. Thank you so much, Enfielders.
Yeah, most welcome. It to record some of the work.
Brand new gear
And
out
sometimes.
of thin air. Incredible. You made all these with your AIC system?
Yeah, it's kind of like a magic.
I heard so many stories about you Enfielders, but the real deal is just impressive. If things were always this effortless, life would be a breeze.
Yeah, life will be easy, but it was necessary to move forward after all.
All right. I'm ready for the job.
Everyone seems pretty pumped, Inman.
Yep, let's move
Now
forward.
that the crew is ready, our next step is to repair and modify a suitable vehicle.
Repair and modify suitable vehicle, you say, man. And do I really have to do that? If I'm gonna do that, I need a pretty big, pretty giant vehicle.
The field crew can take care of the disassembly and replacement of parts. I gotta work on a suite of customized components. They will give the vehicle some essential upgrades.
Enman, research the parts fitting tech on our AIC factory plan. After that, we'll be all set.
Parts fitting thing. Parts fitting. What? Can now be selected and compared to acquire the this part system. Great. Oh my god, yes, yes, yes. How to repair? This mission incomplete. You may lack the knowledge that can help you complete this mission. Its production is a steady unit to produce backflow powder. Use the transport belt to move the products to the depot. This is all some pretty basic bullshit that I can do. Don't you have confidence in me? You see, I will do this without the maid's production knowledge. See, I will do this because I know how to do this. Of course, I always I will know this. The zipline tower has been damaged and must be repaired quickly. You need amethyst parts to repair the zipline tower. Parts they produce using fitting unit. Use the refining unit and fitting unit to produce amethyst ore into the amethyst parts. Then use the amethyst parts to repair the zipline tower. As the zipline is damaged. The core ASC area already has the fitting unit needs to be needed for producing of its parts. Production formula is not for this facility. This shows the production of amethyst parts needs to amethyst fiber. Amethyst fiber can now be made by processing the amethyst or the refining blah blah blah. Amethyst ore, please. Let's go to it. And now what? First place the refining unit. Oh, refining. Oh yeah, this is the refining unit. Good. The refining unit is now producing amethyst fiber plus 2, and I need to connect this to that. It's connected, right? And don't forget to use the electric fan to power the facilities. Big file, yes. It's an electric file over here. Why should I need that? Why did I do that? Idle. What do you mean it's idle? Prepare what work. Unpowered, let's see. Is this powered enough? File, it's on, man. Facilities. Let the production line run for a while till the fitting units produce 5 amethyst parts. We did not produce any amethyst parts. Oh, because I didn't add an item over here. That's the reason it's not producing anything. It's not because of me, because I'm not doing what I need to be doing. Wow. Now it's working. 3, 4, 5, and we got 5. Now this part's the reduction complete. Manual place them in the backpack for later. Yeah, now I have enough of these parts. Let's go and prepare the zip line facility. Yes, zip line tower. The last zipline facility that can be connected to another zipline facility within 110 meters radius to create a zipline. Cafe exit. Zipline tower repair. Simulation goal complete. Take. Store more amethyst parts in the depot. Do I get a bonus of something? Anything? I did anything for that. See if I am gonna get anything from that. Anything extra or more than 25 or a barrel or a barrel or a barrel. Hey, you don't have to wait. You don't have to wait at all. You can just I can just teleport you. Boom. And there's a bonus 15 more. A blueprint for the amethyst part production line has been acquired. Progress through the mine mission to unlock blueprint feature that allows quick settings of an amethyst for art production. I understand everything. Yeah. There this is with the parts fitting plant. Yeah. Yeah. You parts fitting this.
New industrial technology is now available.
And what are it? Material molding. Oh, material molding. It's more and more. It's batteries. It's a lot of things. This is this to construct molding units. That molding unit can mold materials to make products such as amethyst
The
bottles.
core component of the drill requires amethyst parts. Let's make some with the fitting unit.
Fitting unit, just say.
Core AIC area.
Fitting unit. What does the fitting unit need again, please? The production chain shows the required upstream materials and processing facilities for making a product. I have this, I have that. I do have that, right? Then I get a blueprint piece. Okay. Let's delete, remove. Give me the blueprint. I'm going to use the blueprint to produce this breaker. I do have this production thing is it's fine. I'm gonna do this over here then. Okay. Click on the yellow. While refining it. Instruction. When placing up blueprints without all of the facilities required, the missing facilities can be placed as an unconstructed set. Submitting all of the missing facilities converts the unconstructed set into actual facilities with a single action. So what you need is a refining unit, which I currently don't have. Refining unit, how would I make construct? The one, right? This thing. How much do I need? 10. Amethyst, 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 and amethyst. It's working. Look at this, it's working. This kind of machine is really fun to watch. I never watched it without those tags. Can't. It's producing a lot of things that I need. So give me 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Give the amethyst parts to Andre, and we'll just wait for them to finish the work.
What they're doing with these amethyst parts? Hello, Mr. Andre, what are you going to
how
do?
are we doing with the upgrade parts?
Yeah, really great. We're doing pretty much great. Here they are.
This is it! Wonderful!
Wonderful, you say.
Reverse gear. Check. Stabilizing cow triggers. Check. Initiating signal testing. All good.
Whoa. Are we gonna use this drilling machine then? Why are they by nearby waters?
Construction vehicle upgrades are complete. All the moving parts are in place. This efficiency is miraculous. It's like a dream.
It's like a dream, you say.
A
Yes.
dream that's coming true. The AIC factory is working far better than I expected. We gotta expand our mass production plans.
Yeah.
And make sure you give me the new budget as soon as you have it.
I think I have infinite budget, but I don't know about Mr. Andre, Mr. Andre.
Enfield has constructed many large industrial machines, but this is our first time using the AIC to build one on the fly.
This is so really the first time then.
This is a first step towards our grand vision. Endman, just imagine how many lives we can improve with our construction capacity.
Yeah, I can imagine like the building the factory everywhere and yeah, improving life, you say. Hopefully we won't ruin any other slags. Right? Right, guys? Right? Hopefully we won't. Hopefully.
Prep work seems to be going well. We finally have some good news for a change.
Purple. Yes. That means you got some bad news for us, right?
The quarry suffered significant damage. We received multiple distress calls from the crews there. We've dispatched a rescue team, but it was hastily prepared. They might not be able to cover all scenarios. I hope you can check the area if you have the time to spare, Endman.
Sure, I will check it out. I think I can still go and do some work. Yes, I can do it.
Our preparations seem complete, but...
But what? Am I missing something, Palika? What is it?
No, sorry. It was nothing.
Okay.
In any case, we should make sure all preparation work is carried out accordingly. Pogus and I are ready to help if you have questions about the AIC factory.
If you want to add more features to our AIC, you can use this expansion core. It will provide a more advanced factory development plan.
Where's the
There are
expansion?
many things we can do. Expand our AIC factory, help crewmates in the other areas, and much more. The decision is yours, Administrator.
Yeah, sure. Oh, look at the Wi-Fi transmission. A higher authority level is required to progress through the main mission. Gaining authority levels also provides various rewards such as gear templates and higher sanity increments. Operational experience. The administrator can earn operational experience via various activities such as completing missions and protocol spaces, exploring the world, and placing minor rigs. Having enough operational experience raises the authority level. Open the protocol synchronizer sync menu to open the authority level screen and see rewards at various authority levels. Right. And mean, I just received an encrypted SOS signal requesting support. Sector has been hit by a disaster. The roads are out. We need engineering and technical support. I forwarded this to the UWST as well, but I don't think they have enough people to put together a crew. Where did the signal even come from? The message underwent strong interference when it was received, but we can approximate the center's location southeast of the hub base. The UWST told us about an old quarry in that area. The signal probably came from that place. Send me the coordinates. I will check it out later. Got it. I'll send the coordinates to you. And since the situation is uncertain, I'll notify sending you and ask her to join your team. And this will guarantee your safety, and I can give Polly a peace of mind. Got it. Sure. And chat. What do you mean? I can make another. Oh, wait. Am I gonna get the headhunting attempts there? Okay, I'm gonna get a brand new character. Yes. And I got it. Who did I get? And what's my future team gonna be like? Yeah, I have fluoride.
Catcher. Op team.
Catcher. He's a new guy.
Why do I have to do this again?
I have you.
Oxy 7 Skirmisher, Fluoride.
And the first shot, who's this?
I'm your operator from Rhodes Island. Codename Snowshine.
Snowshine.
Antal of Opsy.
Antal.
What?
Estella.
Catcher.
And the 6-star
Greetings, Administrator. The name's Ardelia, and I'm a geologist from Rhodes Island. My current focus is the correlations between geological disasters and the ether side. I've heard about you for quite a while,
Does it
Anthony.
feel it's worse
I
than
have
losing a
so many
50-50?
questions for you. Oh,
I already have
there's-
her. I don't know which weapon to choose. I will. When it is. Can I choose it later? Valuable stuff, should say. That he had hunting attempts left for what? To acquire head hunting dorsal. Perform 68 hunting attempts to acquire a bonus head hunting dorsal. Only one available in this sub banner. Head hunting dorsal is automatically acquired after meeting the condition. Once the next chapter head hunting manner begins, this head hunting dorsal will be automatically converted to a special HS permit of the specified character head hunting banner. However, this HS permit will also expire once the banner ends. Oh, I got this too. Cost a lot. What's this? Deliver of the cryptic. Permanent activity. Saying it is a permanent activity. Weekly routine. Fundamental etching, corrupting search. Right. AIC support palms of savior. It's time limited. Subduer of the bright light. Space exploration element. I can explore the space. What? Percentage of time. Computations in operation manual. Geometry. What is it? 70 as well as some fashion of pelicans and It's authority level 50. Option complete. Operation manual and missions. To reach the operation level. Alright. Assembly, you say? Level 28 of what? Defense. Battle skill damage. What is it? Does everything else with defense or something? Agility, will? I think that's for 10. Set and non-set. Interesting. Okay.
Originium work.
Yeah, my god. Corrosion now applies physical system. Let's start playing.
Originium will carve a path for us.
Wanna come snowboarding with me, Enderman?
Yes. That it? I hope so. Acquisitions and report exchange. Thank you. And what are you? Stock. Chartered HP HH permit. Isn't that useful? It's pretty useful, right? And what is this? Perseverance, a rare material that upgrades operator skill mastery. I think this is more worth. This has more worth. So other things. Valuable stash. And what do you mean 2 days? What can you use this for? Use this to recover 47 item of next. Is that will tomorrow where it is not very useful now. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna stop right now. See you in the next video. Boom.